Hey everyone, it's Marley with MarineMax Pompano Beach here. We're going to take a quick look at this trade-in we just got. 36 Aquila, 2024, under 200 hours. Come on board, let's show you what this boat's all about. So starting out in the cockpit of the boat, we have a pretty unique setup here on this specific 36. So you do have the electric barbecue station here with the refrigerator. What's unique is you do have a fishing package layout on this boat. So you have a built-in fish box that has a seat that drops down right on top. And you also have a live well over here on the aft of the boat. So if you want to do some fishing, this boat is fully equipped for it. So checking out the salon of this boat, this is a open version. So you have totally open back part of the salon here. And you can enclose it with isinglass. It's keeping that AC in here right now, so it is pretty cool. You do have a high-low table if you want to drop it down and have another sleeping area. And then over here on the starboard side, we have another summer kitchen. So you have a sink, refrigerator, stovetop, and then right in front of that is your helm. This boat has twin Garmin displays, Mercury vessel view, and of course joystick to make this boat super easy at the dock. In addition to being a catamaran, it has about a 14'7" beam, makes it very maneuverable. So now we're down in one of the cabins on this boat, and this is part of what makes this an awesome day boat, but also if you want to take some trips, perfect for two couples. You have a cabin on each side of the boat, full bed in the front. This specific one has TVs in the cabins, and then you have facing aft your heads on both sides. They're going to be mirrors of each other, so you have tons of room for overnighting. Part of what makes this boat so popular is the ability to open it up or close it up depending on the weather conditions. So if you want, you open it all the way up. You have a ton of bow seating up here in the front of the boat. You're using that wide beam to get two huge loungers. This one is set up here if you want to have conversation seating. That one on the starboard side is set up for lounging. So you have a lot of different areas on this boat that you can hang out. Thanks for taking the time to check out this 2024 36 Aquila we have on trade. If you want to come by and see it in person or check out any of our other inventory, come see us here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach or give me a call at 407-446-5990.